Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Honda Air Blades, specifically looking at some common fuel system problems and how to get them fixed the right way. If you're an Airblade owner thinking of becoming one, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about some of the issues you might face. One of the most common is a clogged fuel injector. This can happen due to dirt, debris, or old fuel that has gummed up the system. When this happens, your bike might struggle to start, run, roughly, or even stall. Another issue is a malfunctioning fuel pump. You might notice a lack of power, or the engine might not start at all. Fuel pumps can wear out over time, especially if they're constantly working hard. Next, we have fuel leaks. These can be pretty dangerous. Leaks can happen at the fuel lines, fuel tank, or carburetor. If you smell gasoline or notice any wet spots around these areas, it's time to get it checked out. A faulty fuel filter can also cause problems. A clogged filter will restrict fuel flow, leading to poor engine performance. Replacing it regularly is crucial for keeping your Airblade running smoothly. Finally, there's the issue of a dirty carburetor. This can lead to similar issues as a clogged fuel injector. So cleaning the carburetor is a must. Now, let's look at how to fix these problems properly. First, if you suspect a clogged fuel injector, you can try using a fuel injector cleaner. These products can help dissolve deposits and improve fuel flow. However, if the problem persists, you might need to have the injector professionally cleaned or replaced. For a malfunctioning fuel pump, the solution is usually replacement. It's a relatively straightforward job, but it's important to make sure you get the correct pump for your Airblade model. When it comes to fuel leaks, safety is key. If you spot a leak, immediately stop riding and get the bike inspected. The mechanic will check all fuel lines, the tank, and carburetor for any damage. Replacing any damaged components is essential to prevent further issues. As for the fuel filter, it's best to replace it regularly, typically every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, or as per your owner's manual. This simple maintenance task can prevent many fuel system issues. Finally, a dirty carburetor needs cleaning. You can try a carburetor cleaner, but if the issue is severe, a professional cleaning is recommended. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these problems. In the first place, change your fuel filter regularly, use good quality fuel, and keep an eye out for any unusual symptoms. By being proactive, you can keep your Honda Airblade running smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.